Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to answer the question from the comment. He asked the question about how to create crescendo in Maestro Music Composer. So the first thing, select the note and then click here, here or here, here or here. This is for one bar and this is for one note. Let's create crescendo or decrescendo. Select, or if we want to create a crescendo line for one bar, you can click here and then click this crescendo like this. This is crescendo. But how to remove the crescendo? Just click remove, click here, clear, okay, click the crescendo line, and that's it. How to create crescendo? First, select notes. If we want to select almost one bar, just click here and then click the crescendo. And that's how you do to create crescendo or the crescendo line. And how to remove? Just click clear and click the crescendo line or crescendo line, and that's it. If there's any question, please write on the comment below. See you on the next video.